Here it is. Cab is in the garage. I didn't record it, but a neighbor helped me lift it and tip it onto this little dolly I got going. It's sitting on these are bags of rubber mulch. So, but I can roll it around and move it out of the garage and stuff. I think what I'll do is I'll bring it out, strip paint and stuff off of it, and then push it back into the garage at night so it doesn't get rusted and stuff. The areas that I clean up anyway. Obviously, it's already really, really rusty, and honestly, it was when I put it up here, this was my first time getting a really good look at the bottom of it, and I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty discouraging. This thing is in really, really bad shape. Let's take a look at the back here. So it's really bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo the body mounts. There is none right there. Then I got little surprises, like they put this in here and it's filled with Bondo. Same thing. I don't know what the heck. They stuffed this in there and then just packed Bondo in there. But anyways, I was planning on cutting that out anyway, but shoot, I'm no body expert. I don't do this for a living. Never done it before in my life till now. And I am disgusted by this. I mean, these are horrible, super lazy repairs that somebody did a long time ago. Like, I wouldn't have even done that. So anyways, there's a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. The roof has me a little concerned. I have seen trucks with the chopped top where basically they take this piece and then go make it just flat. Make it a flat top truck. I don't know what you guys think. So I'll see. Once I start grinding away and I get rid of that Bondo and the rust and I can get a better look at it, see what I'm up against, I'll make that decision, but it's a possibility. But anyways, let's see what we can do to fix this thing. Alright, well, to be honest with you, I don't know exactly where to start. But I figured I'll just start chopping the bottom out. And so I put these 2x4s here to hopefully keep the shape so it doesn't want to like collapse on itself when I cut the floor out. Hopefully those will hold it close. And we'll fine tune it as we start rebuilding. But for now, I'm going to get rid of this nasty rust. Or try to. Okay. I got most of it cut out. I'm gonna pause, keep what's left there to make some templates real quick before I chop that off. That way I kind of have an idea of what my new piece needs to look like. So I'm gonna stop cutting for now. Let's get this cleaned up.
Tumbleweed Garage.